Hello, I'm Renafuse, and I'm just showing off my quarry thing that I've built here. It's got on Minecraft 1.1 and Buildcraft, and as well as Redstone or Redpower mod 2. So anyways, I just have a sorter here. It's got different chests with different stuff in it. That's where it'll drop ore. That's where it'll drop other things. And here's where it'll drop some random stone that I've chosen. And here's my garbage for the things I don't want. So here we have solar panels, which charges the battery here. Of course, you need to have battery for the sorter to work because it uses a new type of power system that is implemented in Redpower2. And you need a timer to make this thing go for it to sort. I actually left some items in here so you can see how it sorts, and I'll turn it on right now here. So it's on right now, and you see it's throwing all the cobblestone into the trash because I don't want cobblestone, because cobblestone is is quite common. So as you can tell, see now it grabs that one, the iron ore, and it sticks it into this chest where the iron is stored. And now we have to put coal in here, which I have coal in these engines to make it run. This quarry thing builds itself, so people, you don't have to worry when you get Buildcraft installed. You don't have to worry about that. But you do have to build this tunnel system to the box, and the rest of it has to also be built. So we'll turn this on here and you can see how it works. My drill will go down and it'll continue where it's left off there. And you'll see it grab the cobblestone, which I don't want, but it has to in order to dig down deeper here for other things. So you'll see it's grabbing cobblestone right there. Keep throwing my weapon. And it'll go into this chest automatically. Can't really speed it up. It's not a very fast system, but it works. It's more efficient than mining that big of a square yourself. And here you'll see it'll put it in this chest. See, puts it in there, grabs it, and then automatically gets pulled out right away, so that we don't get a clutter in this chest for it. And this battery box is just charging, that's all. It's for when it turns night, it keeps the power going for the thing, so it'll continue. See, it burns the cobblestone, and it will sort the other stone when it goes through. You'll see some copper ore coming in there from Redpower World. And you'll see that coming right now into this chest where I've set it to go. So it's pretty interesting how it all works together. This is just a crafting table here I used to create these pipes because you can't get them from too many items. They're not in the list here. So you have to create them yourself in order to use them. I'm sure they'll fix that in the next version. So yeah, this is how the sorter works. It splits it up by the way I've set it up. And the other stone I've got is marble, just in case it hits marble, because I would like to keep marble as well. And this is what it's all throwing out. It's throwing out sand, cobblestone, gravel, and dirt. And the rest is all stuff I want to keep. Now, I do have another one that I've set up across my map. Let's see if I can get there. And yes, I'm cheating to get there, because it's faster. So we're going to go all the way to my other auto mine system. Stupid tree popped up in the middle of nowhere. Gotta love that. Alright, so here's my first quarry system that I built. And you'll see I have a bigger pit here because I was having fun. Kind of looks like it's crafting out dirt and cobblestone. But anyways, there's the same thing I have there. Here's the first pit I did. Don't worry, it's just what I did that on purpose to show you guys. It goes all the way down to bedrock, as you saw the black rock down there. So it'll keep going straight down until it hits bedrock, this mine system. This one right here, as you can see, is getting close to the bottom, but it hasn't finished yet. So I have set the first one I did up here I have set it up with oil, but I stopped using it because it reached bedrock. So you just have to have oil pumps, and then you have to have water coming into it as well, because you need both oil and water to make the combustible engine work. So, and you need tanks and whatnot to do it all. So I created a 4-tank system. My oil pump was right there, and then I have a water pump here, which was sucking water out of here. I can turn it on for you guys so you can see it. There goes my water pump. And then I have a secondary pump here, which will pump the water out of the tank and into everywhere else. You can see it working there. It's pretty interesting stuff. I also have a secondary oil pump, you can see here, which pumps the oil out. And then this one right here sorts the oil so it reaches all the tanks and normalizes them all to the edge here. So that way we have it so that it's not in the central tank so much. So yeah, it's pretty interesting the way they've done it and the way I messed around. But if you leave these things on too long when they're full, it will burn out the engines, and you don't want that because they can break. So yeah, so that's the water right there going through there. You can also pump lava too, which is pretty cool, but I haven't done any of that yet. But yeah, if you have any questions on how I set this up, or if you'd like me to make a tutorial on it, let me know. Have a good one. Redpower2 signing off.